Hey, welcome back to UFOs Above Us. All right, this is Matt, and I'm going to share a picture that I took at an air show recently. And you probably recognize these jets. They're very familiar to most people, very famous. The pilots that fly them are very talented. So I took over 100 photographs of these jets. And I don't like getting into the details of why, but for some reason, this particular picture got my attention, and I felt like I needed to examine it carefully. So what I did is I first blew this up. By the way, the camera I'm using on this is really high resolution, and the new lens that I bought a new mega zoom lens, allows me to zoom in incredibly close. So not only can I see the details of the plane, but I also can look straight into the cockpit, and actually, as you'll see here, I can actually see the pilots. So let's look at these three pilots, and I think the third one will be interesting to you. So here's the first pilot. The guy's looking away from us. Nothing really catches my eye on that one. Looks pretty normal to me. So let's go on and scoot on down to the second pilot here. So we'll just kind of pull down to the second pilot in this formation. And as we zoom in on this guy, unlike the first one that was looking away, this guy's looking straight forward, so you get a nice side profile of him, and when I fully zoom in, you can see just how much detail I can get. Now, there may be some graininess to this picture, but you can clearly make out his face. There's his nose. There's his communicator over his mouth there. You can even see what looks like maybe he's wearing some kind of glasses, or I'm not sure what that is, but again, a normal-looking guy. Some interesting things about his helmet you can see there, but didn't really catch my attention until I got to this third aircraft. And when I saw this, everything kind of changed. So here's the pilot here, and from this level of zoom, it might still look pretty normal to you. You can already see that the guy's looking toward, I say guy, quote unquote. You can see he's looking toward us, but when I was really zoomed in on this one, it's really when things got interesting. So I'm just going to let you see what I saw. Now, as I zoom that in, some of you who study this picture, and hopefully this picture comes across on YouTube pretty clearly, some of you may see something interesting. I know I certainly did. I will just say, for those of you who are interested, if you look at this picture with an open mind, no preconceived notions, there's some unusual things about this pilot. And I'll just draw particular attention to this area right here, including this area right here. And if you have some interesting things you observed about this photograph, be sure and leave them in the comments. Let me know. And as I always say, for UFOs Above Us, this is Matt saying keep watching those skies.